This is my 1996 Dodge Ram pickup. The issue I'm having right now is this headliner. It's come off, so I'm going to glue it back on. It's sagging a bit here in the back also. Before I apply the glue, I'm going to, and it's dusty in here, so I'm going to use the air spray and remove as much dust from the headliner area as much as possible. I have my air compressor, and I've got an attachment to shoot a stream of air. I've already started putting masking tape to avoid spraying the adhesive onto the glass. Getting some on the glass would be okay because you could use a razor blade to take it off, but I want to have less cleanup as possible, so I'm taping some of this. And you could put some paper here down here too. The foam is overhanging a bit, and the glass is going underneath, so I have to get the tape underneath the foam there. I decided to take the mirror off. Makes it easier. There we go. To get more protection from the adhesive spray, I'm going to put another row of tape here. I mask the areas off. Including right here. Masked off this glass in the back. This is adhesive I'm using, 3M Super 77, and it's sort of like a contact glue. You put some glue on both surfaces, let it dry, place the two pieces together. I heard this is one of the best adhesives for headliners. This has to be shaken very well. I put one coat of the adhesive on, and I'm getting ready to put a second coat before I put the two pieces together. On the other side there's hanging. I did put one coat on there, and back over here I've put one coat on both sides. I put the second coat on of the adhesive, and now I'm starting to put the two pieces together. I'm going to just take my hand, I'm just kind of going from the center and smoothing it over. I put the two pieces together. It's sticking very well. So that 3M Super 77, it does a really good job.